Hi guys, today we are servicing 2017 Audi Q7. I'll show you how to do it at home, do it yourself. It's very easy. We have added a new lone oil flush in this one, in the engine oil. So we'll leave it start for 10-15 minutes so that it will do its job. And then till that time we will open our bottom cover from the engine. As you see, we put the car on the ramp and I'm unscrew these screws. This one to remove the cover. And two at the bottom there. After that we will open these 4 screws, 1, 2 on the both sides. There is 6, 1 is missing in my car. To remove this cover panel, I think the screws are of T25 in this one. So guys, as we open our cover of the car, now we got the access to the drain plug. So before removing oil, we'll go up and open the filter, fuel filter, engine oil filter, so that we can drain the oil. So guys, after 15 minutes, we turn off the engine, we open our cover and we got the access to the drain plug. Now we will remove the engine oil filter out of it. So guys, as we open the hood, first of all we will remove the engine cover. To open this cover, you got 2 clips on each side. So you need to remove this clip from here like this, and from the other side as well, and the cover is open. So guys, as you can see, the oil filter in this car is inside there, underneath the fuel filter, underneath the air filter. So to get the access to that, over there we need to remove this cover, oil filter cover, air filter cover. So we remove this one first. So for that you need to remove the air pipe. If you want, you can remove this clip or leave it as it is. And then there is some clips, you need to push it up, both sides. And it's separated. And then after opening this one, we need to separate this oil fuel line, engine oil fuel line. Like it's got a clip, just press it like this and push it up and it's separated. So that the filter is totally separated. We don't want to totally separate it. Just put it there. If you want to remove it, you need to remove that plugs. This plugs from the top. Now we got the access to our oil filter cap. As you can see down here, we need to open this plug. So now we are opening this oil filter cap. It's a 32 mm one. 32 mm. You need the socket of 32 mm to open it. So that you can see we got the access to the filter. We can remove it anytime, but I'll leave it right now as it is, and we will drain the oil first so that the air can go there and it's completely drained. You can see I unplugged this one. This is the oil filter, so we'll leave it as it is. We are not removing it out of the car. So guys, to open this drain plug, we are using CV6 socket, CRV6 socket in the 8 mm bolt. It's really easy. Just twist it and it's open. And we will drain all the oil. It's roughly around maybe 7.5 in this one. It varies from different engine. It's 3-liter turbo diesel. And let it drain completely. It will take about 5 minutes or 6 minutes, and I'll show you after draining it. So guys, till the time the oil is draining, we will change the oil filter. As you can see, I have the poly bag ready to throw the old one. It's very easy. Just squeeze it out and it will be out. Just squeeze it down and it will be out. So guys, we have removed the filter. Clean your filter cap thoroughly, carefully. There should be no oil left in this one. Today we are using the Westfield filter, as I service every 10,000 kilometers, so I'm not using the genuine one. It's a Cooper filter. So before putting the new filter, we need to remove this oil ring, oil seal ring. That's our new filter, and we got a new oil seal as well, oil seal ring. You can see you put a new one on this one. Perfectly fit, and put the filter in this one as usual and squeeze it in. We're all set. So guys, as we change our filter, we put a new filter in. Till the time our oil is draining, we change the filter. So guys, as you can see, our drain plug is completely drained. Now we put the plug in, some plug in. And tight it completely. So guys, we have tighten up our sump plug. Now we can put our cover back. So we are putting our engine cover back. That's it. So guys, our bottom cover is fitted, engine cover is fitted on this one, and now we will put some oil in this one and we're done for the service. So guys, today we are using engine oil in this one is the Newlon diesel and petrol full synthetic 5 watt 30, which is approved by Audi as well and lot of other European brands. So the quantity in this one will go is about roughly around 7 liters. It varies from different engines. We are doing 3 liter turbo diesel today, V6. So once I'll put the oil, I'll show you how to put the oil. Alright guys, before putting the oil in this one, we need to fit this filter and put this clump back in the air pipe. So guys, we put our filter back. Now we will plug our air pipe. So guys, we are putting oil in this one. I don't have a big jug, so I'm using the 2 liter 3 times. So guys, we have put 3 jars of 2 liters, so it's 6 liters. So I'm putting another 1 liter in this one. So guys, we put the oil. Now we put our cover back. And put the clip back on. So our service is completed, and I'll show you how to reset your service in the cluster and how to check the oil in this one. So guys, I'll show you how to fix the oil service light now. If it's in your cluster, I'll show you. So my car says oil change due, as you can see, and there is a service sign coming up there, oil change due. So I'll show you how to do it. So turn on your MMI, go to menu,
continuous recording will now start. GPS connected.
go to car, and this 3 function button on the bottom of the screen, this one, press that one, it will take you to the service vehicle settings. Go to services and check, oil level. So it's not showing me the oil level, so we will wait for a couple of minutes. Till the time I'll show you how to reset service. So we'll go back, services and checks, service interval. So reset oil change interval, reset yes. So its oil change has been reset. It says next due in 10,000 kilometers or 365, as I do service on 10,000 kilometers. And the sign from the cluster, the service sign, has been gone. It's really easy. You can see it. There is no service sign. So guys, we have changed the oil. We have changed the oil filter. We have done our service, and we have reset the service as well in the cluster. Now we will check the oil. So to check the oil, press the menu button on your keypad, the menu button, then go to the car, then the three buttons, the side button on the keypad, and then go to services and check, then go to oil level. So as you can see, I put in this one 6.5 liter, and it says oil okay. That's what we need to do in the service. I hope you like the video and enjoy that one. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Indo Aussie.